By the end of this video, you're going to know everything you get in Ballet Beautiful, the pros, the cons, and who is it for. Welcome to the Health and Fitness Product Review Series. If you want to know when the next review drops, go ahead and click that subscribe button and also hit that bell icon. Also, a quick announcement that Lucy and I are doing a free giveaway of our book, Lose Fat and Gain Muscle on Your Terms. All you have to do is comment Viva below, and every Friday we're going to pick a winner and you're going to win this book in the ebook format. And another free thing, enrollment for our free intermittent fasting workshop is open now. This is going to be a pretty hands-on workshop, so we have to cap how many students we can take on. If you're interested, I urge you to enroll right now. All right, now back to this video.
Ballet Beautiful is a ballet-inspired fitness program by Mary Helen Bowers, who has trained celebrities like Natalie Portman for Black Swan, Victoria's Secret's Angels, and others. Note that it is a ballet-inspired workout, which means if you're planning to do actual dancing until it doesn't feel like fitness anymore or actually learn ballet, this program isn't for you. Check out the Figure 8 Fitness review instead. Link in the description below. There are 4 ways you can use Ballet Beautiful. 1. Custom workout streaming service. When you join, you can enter your fitness goals such as run your arms, work your abs, legs and butt, fat blaster, or full body. And the service creates a playlist for you to get you to your goal. Alternatively, you can also create your own custom playlists as you wish. To make it easier to find what you're looking for, the videos are already categorized by goals such as cardio and standing, mat and toning, etc. There are over 300 videos on the service, and 2 or more new videos get added monthly. This service costs $39.99 monthly, is canceled anytime, and there are no refunds. Stream 1 workout at a time. You can buy single workouts if you wish. These range from $4 to $50 and are 5 to 30 minutes each, and you have lifetime access to them after purchase. There are no refunds. To make it easier for you to find the workout that matches your fitness goal, the videos are categorized already for you. They are body recharge, prenatal, postnatal, recover series, and more. They also have DVDs for specific goals. You can find these on their site and also on Amazon. These are made for you playlists. People who enjoy Ballet Beautiful tend to buy a few of these and mix and match them. For example, doing the total body workout with the Swan Arms cardio. Each DVD is priced from $14.99 to $29.99 as a one-time purchase. For in-person classes, if you're in New York City, you can take them in person or join their online group or private coaching. Group classes range from $38 for a 1-hour class to $640 for 20 classes. And first-time visitors get special deals. Ballet Beautiful recommends doing their workout for 3 hours every week for optimal results with 1 solid rest day in between workouts. You can do the exercises in 5 to 30-minute chunks or longer, whatever fits your schedule.
There are extensive comments from consistent Ballet Beautiful practitioners that they attained a tapered, elegant shape by doing the exercises.
Most people who stick with the exercises also note how they are able to easily perform movements like kicking their leg high in the air or doing other footwork. Their posture also improves in their day-to-day life.
Pro number 3, convenience. The videos are broken into segments that can easily be slot into your day to fit your schedule. There is no equipment required, and very little space required in your home to perform the exercises.
The 4th pro is that it's calm, intentional, and intense. There's no jumping around, making it a very low-impact workout that is friendly to your knees and your joints. You also don't have to switch to new movements every minute. This gives you time to get used to one movement since it's done repeatedly for longer than just a few seconds. And thus, you can back off and not accidentally overdo things. People also love the calmer vibe of these videos. There is classic piano music, which is in stark contrast to the usual pumpy music and other boot camp style videos, for instance. Mary also very calmly tells you the movements and encourages to not go as far if just starting out, or to take a break and get a sip of water. Some people have commented that they feel like they aren't being yelled at all the time, like they do in other types of workout videos. People love that they feel like they got a proper workout without being a sweaty mess by the end.
Con number 1, slow equals boring. On the flip side, some people have complained that since the movements don't change every minute, they get bored. Some also find the piano music to be boring and that counting the reps becomes repetitive and boring as well.
The second con is not enough introduction to the movements. Some people complain that the workouts get into the meat of it too quickly, and they would have benefited from an introduction to the terms being used in the videos, as well as a primer on the proper form of the movements. Mary also acknowledges that some movements are hard as a beginner and can be modified, but she doesn't give actual modifications for all of the exercises.
Con number 3, no nutritional advice. If you're doing this program to lose fat, then the lack of nutritional advice is a bummer. Remember that no exercise program, this or any other workout program, is going to get you to your goal weight by itself.
Ballet Beautiful is best for strength, toning, and endurance. If you think that this program is going to be the be-all end-all to your fitness, then you're going to be disappointed, quite like a few of its reviewers. You will need to supplement Ballet Beautiful with proper warm-up and cool-down stretches on your own. Add your own cardio. So while Ballet Beautiful has exercises named cardio, don't expect that they're enough for your cardiovascular health. Add some walking or other cardio workouts on your own. If you're aiming to learn ballet or dancing, then you'll also have to add that on your own. For example, even Natalie Portman herself, who was trained by Mary, didn't rely on just Ballet Beautiful to get into the Black Swan movie shape. This is what her actual regimen looked like. Mat work that is from the Ballet Beautiful series. The videos are about 2.5 hours in total length. Note how this is far more than the 3 hours per week recommendation to the general public. Swam about a mile each day. Note that this is separate cardio. Ballet and point work for 1.2 hours. Now this is actual ballet dancing, different from Ballet Beautiful. And strictly following a diet regimen. Goes back to what Richa said earlier about the importance of nutrition. And all of this accumulated to 5 hours of working out a day, 6 days a week. So even with the primary goal of strength, toning, and endurance, you'll hit an upper limit by using these videos alone. And by the way, this is true not just of Ballet Beautiful, but most fitness programs out there that follow the same kind of formula like Orange Theory Fitness and CrossFit. Remember that in order to continue to get stronger and tone and get more muscle, you must keep overloading your muscles beyond what they can comfortably do currently. So once you can do these movements easily, you've reached the upper limit of strength, toning, and endurance gains from that. This may be fine depending on your fitness goal. You may not want a lot of weight. However, for those of you who want to continue building muscle, building strength, or tone or endurance, you might want to look into directly strength training once you hit your upper limit.
A note on tracking progress while doing Ballet Beautiful. Since Ballet Beautiful works to build strength and tone, you may see your weight go up because muscle weighs more than fat. So don't freak out. Even if you're not doing Ballet Beautiful, I recommend you use multiple points of measurement to track progress anyway. Add this means your weight and your waist. Then use a body fat calculator to make sure your fat loss rate is higher than your lean mass gain rate. Ideally, you can also take progress pictures weekly or track your athletic performance in a journal.
Check out our video on how to tone without bulking up, and I'll link that in the description below. Ballet Beautiful is for you if you are not already a slim dancer or have been seriously strength training and you want a ballerina-like tone and physique. You don't expect to learn actual ballet. You like a calm, slow pace, don't get bored with the same movement repeated for minutes on end, and think a workout is good even if you aren't sweating profusely at the end.
Hey there! If you want to know when the next episode drops, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell icon. Until then, keep crushing it!